mastermind, they often blur, you know.
तो सर यही तो पूछो कि मतलब अब आप बता दीजिए, मैं कह रहा हूँ 25 तारीख का क्या वेट करना सर, बता दीजिए सर प्लीज. If you could share more about your character, what else is happening?
What is the lovely thing about a script like this? I mean, what I like about a heist movie is the guy does something technically wrong. I mean, he breaks the law, but he does it for a good reason, usually to help someone in his family, and that kind of, it's an honorable kind of theft. So it makes it a very exciting kind of character. He's got skills that are of the criminal type. And I think people enjoy watching people breaking the law in a movie like this. It gives them a chance to kind of take on the system. And I think that's what heist films are about. And it's got a tremendous kind of strong anti-hero antagonist in Jaideep. So it was a lovely part for me.
Fantastic. You know, I saw the trailer, Jaideep. आप इतने कमाल के unforgettable किरदार करते हैं, जब भी कुछ करते हैं उसमें अपना कुछ नयापन लेके आते हैं. When we saw this, थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन सा हो रहा है कि आप चोरी करवा रहे हो, कर रहे हो कि क्या है. So थोड़ा सा आप भी बताएं अपने किरदार के बारे में प्लीज.
तो देखो रेड से नहीं लग रहा इतना कैरेक्टर में आज तक. बट आप क्यों जानना चाहते हैं? आपको फिल्म नहीं देखनी है?
सर मेरे पास सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है ना वो पासवर्ड चेंज कर दिया मेरे दोस्त ने.
नहीं देखिए, ये जैसे सर ने कहा कि हाइस्ट फिल्म्स में हमेशा बहुत सारे ट्विस्ट टर्न्स होते हैं और किसी को नहीं पता है कौन क्या गेम खेल रहा है. एज सर सेड कि नोबडी नोज, हमेशा ब्लफ होगा, कुछ ना कुछ ऊपर नीचे होगा. किरदार बदलेंगे, उनकी हरकतें बदलेंगी तो कुछ नया ट्विस्ट आएगा. तो आई एम श्योर आपको बहुत सारे नए ट्विस्ट देखने को मिलेंगे. अब ये नहीं बताऊंगा कि मैं चोरी करवा रहा हूँ या कर रहा हूँ, वो आपको फिल्म देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा.
चलिए सिद्धार्थ सर, मैं आपसे जानना चाह रहा था कि कितने की चोरी लगती है सर कि इतनी शानदार कास्ट इकट्ठी करनी पड़े, मतलब पिक्चर में नहीं, मतलब इन रियल लाइफ कितने की चोरी करनी पड़ती है कि इतने शानदार स्टार्स आते हैं.
मुझे नेटफ्लिक्स में जाके बहुत बड़ी चोरी करनी पड़ी थी इसके लिए और मैं बता नहीं सकता हूँ क्या है, बट बहुत मेहनत लगी, बहुत स्किल लगा इसके लिए.
So I wanted to know because it's your OTT debut and of course this is great partnership between you and Netflix. Could you share more about it, sir?
I think it's a great fit for Netflix's film. The fact that it will debut in 190 countries with 300 million subscribers watching this film on day one. You know, my endeavor was to make an immersive film experience that you can watch in the comfort of your couch at home. So that's what Jewel Thief will offer you, and Netflix is the best platform for that.
You know, let's have a big round of applause for that. Talking about the platform, of course, Netflix has some of the most gripping, iconic high stories globally. So I wanted to ask from you, what makes Jewel Thief a perfect fit for Netflix India?
You know, we actually always do a genre that's best in class, and the best in class really comes from the team behind it. I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but both Robbie and Cookie have so masterfully crafted this absolute masaledar, fun, heist action film. It's in fact harder to do a familiar genre and yet throw in surprises and mount it in a certain way, give every actor the time in the sun, round of characters. So I think just the experience of working with such incredible creators who've brought honesty, depth, and a whole lot of conviction to the film has really been the reason that, you know, we went ahead and did Jewel Thief. Of course, it helps that some really decent actors like Saif Ali Khan, Jaideep Ahlawat, Nikita Datta, and Kunal Kapoor are a part of it. I think it's the whole package.
You know, talking about the package, I saw this package being delivered on a bike. You know, the moment you made that entry and you said, यार घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है, सब सिक्योर्ड है. मैंने कहा यार अगर ट्रेलर ऐसा दिख रहा है तो पिक्चर में क्या धमाकेदार होगा. Could you share, you know, something about your character and what excited you about this character for you to pick up this project?
Well, you know, I was looking to do a film like this. Like I've never done a heist film, which is a roller coaster ride, thriller, surprise after surprise. So I was looking to do something like that, and luckily I had a chance to do it with an amazing team. But for me, what was really exciting was the part. You know, I get a chance to play a tough, ruthless cop. Usually I'm always cast as the mediator, the peacemaker, the poet, the philosopher. And I mean, in usual circumstances, if I was cast in this film, I would probably be putting all of you all on the table and saying, let's just sort this out. let's just divide the red sun and move on. That's the kind of parts I get. But here, I get a chance to not be the peacemaker. I get a chance to have a gun, a badge, and slam a few people around, and that was great fun for me.
Fantastic. But सच्ची तरह मन में आया नहीं कि एक बार टेबल पे बिठा के कर ही लेते हैं, 3 हिस्से कर लेते हैं.
वो मुझे लगता है सैफ सर की सैलरी के साथ करना चाहिए.
Moving on.
कि 3 हिस्से.
चलिए वो मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछूंगा तो आप उसका जवाब. Nikita, first of congratulations for this fantastic project. If you could share with us, of course, when you are a part of this heist, so much is happening in every scene. The story is moving so forward, and so much is happening in every frame. Could you share with us what was your experience working with this fantastic crew, and what is the one thing you learned or you took back from this project?
As you rightly mentioned, when a heist is happening, there is actually a lot happening even while you're shooting. So there were lots of times when I would actually get so lost because I would just be like, okay, what's going on? Why is it going here? What's happening basically with the scene? So I've had 2 very, very talented directors who've actually led me on with that. If you have to talk about taking back from this film, I mean, I've been a part of Sid Anand's world, which I feel is a huge thing because, I feel as an actor, especially as a female actress, I would say, when you start working, all these years I have been in the industry, I don't think I've actually lived that classic Bollywood heroine tag, which thanks to you and to Mamta, I have gotten this opportunity to play the classic Bollywood heroine, and I'm not saying just because you're going to see me dancing. It's just overall to get the heroine feeling, and I think I've gotten that from this film. So that's my personal takeaway from being a part of Sid Anand's world with this film.
You spoke about the directors, sir. So much is happening, especially a genre like this where you've got an ensemble cast